I'm here with David Bowie, who's got a couple of fighters on the huge Hungerside show. How do you feel about the show, first of all?
I'm excited for the new venue, to be honest. Even this bit's pretty smart, to be honest.
It's very nice.
I liked last year's one, but I feel this one's probably going to be a better atmosphere.
I was going
It's
to
an
say
electric,
it's more included than
Aye.
secluded, not as big.
But
So
I think I'm much excited to see the full arena and go on with
hopefully
it.
get through in a minute.
Are we getting into it
I
today?
hope so. It's just through there.
Oh, perfect.
Aye,
That'll be good. I want to
Just
see
through
that.
there. So apart from that, how is all the training going for the show? For all
Doing
your
good.
fighters?
There's a few on last night as well, so we're just ramping up as well. So it's good. They're all training together. Which when you've got loads of fighters out at the same time, definitely helps.
I was going to say it always helps. Is there anyone that you would like to see fighting on the Hungerside show?
Oh, out of ours?
Out of yours, yes, and in general.
Well, Mark's always one I like to see. I called him. So, obviously, he was asked to be an 8-man at one point, but he was away to America at the time, so he couldn't basically start on that, but commit to that. So he's one.
It, yeah.
I'd like to see
That'd be a
Mark.
good fight.
We've got a few up-and-comers as well. There's a lot of ones, and hopefully soon they'll get up into that level.
Awesome.